Good morning to you all here from Warsaw, Poland. And we're at Mark Andy's, and they have their low migration sessions. It's like a workshop about low migration. And I'm talking here to Łukasz, who is the sales manager for the region for Poland. So let's talk with him about what's going on here. Hi, Łukasz. Good morning.
Morning.
How are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
I see you're smiling.
Of course.
Yeah.
Big day for us.
Fantastic. We're here at Mark Andy's. But first of all, before we start, a little bit about what it's all about here today. Tell us a little bit about you and what is your role within Mark Andy here?
Oh yeah, basically I'm in the business for, I don't know, 15 years, maybe more. I stopped counting when it was 10. And I'm responsible for sales in Mark Andy, and I'm a European sales manager. I cover some Poland as a direct market and some countries to the south and to the east as well.
Right.
So yeah, I'm mainly in sales. And what we have today here in our demo room, it's over here in Poland we have like our demonstration center, sales center and service center. And we have a lot of our machines, and we integrate also our market distributor, graphic arts market distributors like UV ink producers, like ink, all the technology what we have on the machine, like UV systems, corona treatments, substrate, and today, together with GW, Ziegwerk, and UPM Raflatak, we have like a seminary, and we try to cover the quite urgent topic which is on the market, which is low migration issue.
Yes.
So
a lot of people are talking about it. But I mean, here in Warsaw, so this is your European headquarters, right?
Yeah, European headquarters. Actually, we cover from here not only Europe, but also Asia, Pacific, Africa, South America.
Okay.
Yeah, we are quite
perfect. And so, and the other headquarters is obviously in the US. That's where the main
our headquarters, the main facility, the production field is in St. Louis, US, and there we produce our machines.
Yes, but here we're in Europe, right?
In Europe we have a demonstration center.
Yeah, so let's talk a little bit about the topic of today, low migration, that is. I mean, how do you see for your customers in your area here in Europe and even African markets and other markets, how do you see that issue for your clients? What is the main pain point there?
You know, we believe that the main painful is that the subject of low migration, of having the packaging, especially for food, cosmetic or pharmacy, is not like exaggerated enough. We know that there is some legislation coming to the market. We know that UV inks not only migrates to the final product, but is it safe? Does it comply with regulations?
Yes, because and that's also those regulations that tend to change time over time and very quickly, basically, especially for the European Union. Actually, they have new set of rules coming up.
Exactly, and this we cover during the presentation. Our day-to-day is also together with chemical laboratory Hamilton, which examine all the typical packaging on the market, but not only. But now we are focusing on the packaging market. So
because you being that was a point of interest to me as well, because before. Obviously, Mark Andy is a big name in the flexo industry, but you used to focus on machinery a lot, and low migration basically isn't really an issue of the machine.
Maybe it's not an issue directly with the machine, because it's mainly because of ink, UV systems, but machine integrates everything inside: substrate, ink, UV system. We need to train our operators to have clean machine, because once we switch from standard UV ink to, for example, low migration ink, the machine needs to be clean. Idlers, ink pens needs to be clean. UV lamps needs to be 100% ready. They cannot be used. We need to control the power of UV lamp. 80%, 70%, maybe 100%. How much ink we will use, what type of plates, what type of substrate, everything influence on the final migration to the product, because examination of a final migration is to take the final product, final packaging, which is labels in our case, for example, or wrap around, and examine how much different chemical compounds, particles migrate to the final product. And it's not only ink, it's everything. So we just need to keep an eye on
everything.
process
Yeah.
to have the good
Results.
product.
Yeah. So I guess maybe as a final question for now, because we will have a lot of talks today. I guess that a good partnership with your partners like GW, like the ink manufacturers and stuff, is absolutely necessary. And especially also you have different type of technology machines that you have in-house, going from dry toner to inkjet to the normal flexo press. So thank you for this short presentation, what the day will bring, and I'm sure we will learn a lot today.
Oh yeah.
Thank you, Łukasz.
Enjoy and take advantage of it.
And we will. Thank you very much.